Hello. So what is this? Today I have the phone of my wife. So it's a little bit broken, but not completely. So just this part that was here, actually like this, fell off. So it's because you see it's glued. See the glue also here. So the phone is old, and so the glue. So I also noticed that this part is coming off also from this side, so I want to remove it and glue it as well before it breaks. So let's try to remove this. So I use this tool to do such kind of things. You see, I put it like this here, and then I move it. Okay, you see? Then it's very easy to remove this. Okay. So what I have to do is to remove this old glue, at least a little bit, and then I have to re-glue the two parts together. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, like this. So these things are electrical contacts, and with these contacts, then that part, the metallic part, would be connected to ground. So I have to avoid to put the glue on top of those pads. Okay, but they did it, you see. So maybe either they made a mistake or it's not so important. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. And then also this one. Okay. So now I remove the glue, but I also want to remove the glue from here. Okay. And I don't want to scratch this too much because maybe I will break something. So I'm happy with this situation now. Okay, good.